Welcome to Module 1, our workshop on understanding difficult people in the workplace. In today's session, we will delve into what constitutes difficult behavior, uncover its root causes, and discuss its impacts on the workplace. Let's kick things off with identifying difficult behavior. You need to identify what constitutes difficult behavior in the workplace. Bullying, intimidation, harassment, and offensive jokes. Passive aggressiveness, sarcasm, silent treatment, and non-cooperation. Micromanagement, excessive control over employee work, lack of trust. Rudeness, insults, disparaging comments, and disregard for others' feelings. Recognizing these behaviors is the first step in addressing them. Let's now discuss the causes of difficult behavior. An in-depth analysis of the underlying reasons behind difficult behavior, such as personal issues, workplace stress, and personality clashes. Now, let's explore the root causes of difficult behavior in the workplace. Personal issues. Family problems, health concerns, and other personal challenges can affect a person's behavior at work. Workplace stress, tight deadlines, high workload, and workplace conflicts can contribute to difficult behavior. Personality clashes. Differences in work styles, values, or personality can lead to friction between colleagues. To wrap up this module, let's dive into impact on the workplace. The impact of difficult behavior in the workplace can be far-reaching. Affects team dynamics, leads to discord, lack of cooperation, and reduced teamwork. Lowers overall morale, creates a negative atmosphere that can affect employee motivation and satisfaction. Reduces productivity, distracts from work, leads to inefficiency, and can negatively affect performance. By addressing difficult behavior, we can foster a positive and productive work environment. There are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly and foremost, we have to remember that we do not know, and in most circumstances understand what is causing issues in everyone's life. Having a bit of compassion is usually the first step to understanding how to deal with difficult people. For the most part, there are people who may seem difficult to deal with, but there are internal and external factors contributing to them being difficult. Sometimes befriending your coworkers can help gain better understanding and ground on what these pressures are, and sometimes they are overworked, overlooked, or underappreciated. Thank you for completing Module 1 of the Dealing with Difficult People workshop. Don't forget to subscribe to the Recruiting Revolution for career prep, workshops, and everything you need to stand out and succeed in a crowded employment market.